Happy morning to Anandal. I am WAHITha, studying 3rd B.Sc of Computer Science in KCSKNC College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about a page replacement algorithm. What is meant by page replacement algorithm? In an operating system that uses paging for memory management, a page replacement algorithm is needed to decide which page needs to be replaced when a new page comes in. In page replacement algorithm, we have four types of algorithms. First one is FIFO. It means first in, first out. This is the simplest page replacement algorithm. In this algorithm, the operating system keeps track of all pages in the memory in a queue. The oldest page is in the front of the queue. When a page needs to be replaced, page in the front of the queue is selected for removal. This is the example of FIFO. Next one is the least recently used. In this algorithm, page will be replaced which is least recently used. This is the example of least recently used algorithm. Next one is the optimal page replacement algorithm. In this algorithm, pages are replaced which would not be used for the longest duration of time in the future. This is the example of optimal page replacement algorithm. The last one is the counting based page replacement algorithm. In this algorithm, we keep the counter of the number of reference that have been made to each page. In these two schemes are used. One is the LFU and other one is the MFU. In LFU, it requires that the page with the smallest count to be replaced. In MFU, it is based on the argument that the page with the smallest count was probably just brought in and as yet to be used. This is the examples of LFU and MFU. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.